Internet is full of websites. There are billions of websites and millions of blogs. We are used to visiting a few of the daily websites as per our requirements, but the websites I am going to share here will force you to change your memory and bookmark each of these interesting websites. Number 1. Remove.bg. Visit remove.bg. Get a transparent background for any image. Drag and drop as many images as you need, then watch how each of them is processed 100% automatically. Now grab a coffee, go for a walk, or head to the next photo shoot. You just saved yourself a lot of time. With remove.bg, anyone can cut out images in just 5 seconds without a single click, 100% automatically. Number 2. Tempmail.org. Visit tempmail.org. Why you need Tempmail? You may ask. Well, there are several websites out there which require you to verify your email address, but you may not comfortable sharing your email ID. At this situation, Tempmail comes handy. Forget about spam, advertising mailings, hacking and attacking robots. Keep your real mailbox clean and secure. Tempmail provides temporary, secure, anonymous, free, disposable email address. Number 3. PaidSEOtool.com. PaidSEOtool.com is a great website and an original product of PaidForArticles.com. This website is a bunch of various tools that owners of Paid for Articles use to check the particular originality and all the requirements required for an article to get approved by their website. There are a lot of advantages to this particular website. 1. Plagiarism Checker Pro. Now, in this world, some people want to work without any hard work, and in this case, they copy and paste jobs to earn money, which is not allowed. So to check plagiarism, they use this Plagiarism Checker Pro tool. Only original work gets approval from this website rather than copied from some other site. 2. Word Counter. Knowing the word count of a text can be important. For example, if an author has to write a minimum or maximum amount of words for an article, essay, report, story, book, paper. Word Counter will help to make sure its word count reaches a specific requirement or stays within a certain limit. Number 4. Alternative2.net. Alternative2 is a free service that helps you find better alternatives to the products you love and hate. You find the right software for your computer, mobile phone or tablet. Main focus is to give you alternatives software you already know and want to replace. By joining the site, you can participate in the process of making these recommendations better, so please join in. Number 5. Autodraw.com. Autodraw is a new kind of drawing tool. It pairs machine learning with drawings from talented artists to help everyone create anything visual fast. There is nothing to download, nothing to pay for, and it works anywhere: smartphone, tablet, laptop, desktop. If you are interested in creating drawings for others to use with AutoDraw. Thank you.